student, today we are going to discuss some examples on assignment model by using Hungarian method. Okay, so first example, your first, second, third and fourth. Okay, number of columns and number of rows are here same. So values of first row are 1, 3, 5, 2, then 8, 6, 9, 8, then 3, 4, 1, 6, then 7, 6, 7, 4. Okay, so this example is given that to find the optimal solution by using Hungarian method. Okay, so using the step first solution, firstly number of rows equal to number of columns. Then by use the Hungarian method. So Hungarian method algorithm in first step. So here if the number of rows are not equal, then we add the dummy row or dummy column. Okay, so there is no need for here because here number of rows and number of columns are same. Then we get a step second how to find the opportunity cost table. Okay, how to find the opportunity cost table? Firstly identify the smallest element in each row and subtract it from every element of respective row. Okay, and after reducing matrix or given table, then subtract the smallest element of column. Okay, each column select smallest element and then subtract it from every element of column. Okay, so here then select smallest element in every row or each row and subtract it from each element of corresponding respective or corresponding row. Okay, so therefore reduced table is here smallest element in first row is 1, then second row is 6 is smallest element. Okay, 6 is smallest element, then third row 1 is smallest element, and last fourth row here 4 is smallest element. So subtract it from every element of corresponding row. Okay, so therefore A, B, C, D, then first, second, third and fourth. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, then 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 5 minus 1 equal to 4, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, then next is smallest element is 6, so subtract it from every element. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, then 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, then 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Then next third row smallest element is 1, so subtract 1 from each element of respective row. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 1 minus 1 0, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then next last is 4 is smallest element, subtracting from every element of row 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, 6 minus 4 2, 3, then 0. Okay, then this is our reduced matrix. Then here select smallest element in every column and subtract those element, subtract it from each element of corresponding column, each element of corresponding column. Okay, so in this A, B, C, D, these are columns. So first column 0 is smallest element, in second 0 is also smallest element, in third 0 is smallest element, and D column is also 0 is a smallest element. Okay, so this table write as it is. Okay, so reduced matrix because 0 subtracted from every element, there is no effect from each element. Okay, reduced table is reduced table is as it is, A B C D, then first, second, third and fourth. So 0 2 2 3. Okay, 2 minus 0 2, 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 0 3 and 2 minus 0 2. Okay, then 4 minus 0 4, 3 0 3, then 1 2 5 and 0 in this way. Okay, so here next step step 3, step third is step third. Here step third is each row and each column have at least 1 0. Each column and each row have at least 1 0 are present in this. Here every row and every column contains at least 1 0. Okay, so next step is to make assignment in the opportunity cost. Okay, to make a assignment, of how to making an assignment. Okay, firstly identify smallest element. Identify rows successively from top to bottom until a row with exactly 1 0. That is, select a row to square around for this matrix. Select a row which contains exactly 1 0 and which contains exactly 1 0 by making square. Okay, those 0 has around by square, and then cross of other column, respective column, corresponding column, other zeros have cross of sign column. Okay, so here first row contains exactly 1 0. Okay, that is only 1 0 present in first row, so make it square, and respective column other zeros in the corresponding column make a or take a cross of sign. Okay, but here 0 does not present. Then next is second row also contains exactly 1 0. Okay, second row contains exactly 1 0. Okay, in this way other respective column take a 0, respective column take a other. Here 0 is a 0 does not present, so there is no need. Then third row contains this is our third row also contains exactly 1 0. Okay, third row also contains exactly 1 0. So other elements make a 0. Okay, and then lastly fourth row is also contains exactly 1 0. Okay, so here number of assignment means, what is meant by assignment means a square of zeros. Okay, square zeros are this one assignment, second, third and fourth. Number of assignment equal to number of assignment equal to number of rows or column. Okay, here number of assignment equal to number of rows. Okay, so therefore number of assignment equal to number of row, and then here making a cross of sign. Second row does not need a second row. Then optimal criteria. Okay, optimal criteria, if there is no assignment in row, then this implies that the total number of assignment are less than number of rows. Then go to next step 5. Okay, but here in given that number assignment in each row and column, then it is a original cost take for assignment when take a exactly number of assignment equal to number of rows. Okay, there is exactly one assignment each row and column, then it is an optimal solution. Okay, so that is number of assignment equal to number of rows or number of columns, then we get a optimal solution. For optimal solution we get a optimal solution, and therefore we get an optimal solution. Therefore here For optimal solution with cost, optimal solution assignments are for first row has assignment A, okay, second has assignment second, that is B, third has assignment C, and fourth has assignment is D. And with cost, with cost take their actual cost, okay, for assignment take their actual cost. For first row first column has a assignment is 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4. In this way their value is 12, okay. In this way this is a solution of given problem, okay. So next problem